Hi, my name is Kevin McCowan. I'm with the American Academy of Spine Physicians. Recently, there's been a collaboration between F4CP and the American Academy of Spine Physicians. Every member that's a member of F4CP now has a directory level membership with the American Academy of Spine Physicians. You should have received your login credentials to the Academy website with your email. To access the dashboard, you want to go to www.spinephysicians.org. Once there, you want to log in with your user ID and PIN number to access the dashboard. Once in the dashboard, we have a special button called F4CP Members. You want to click on that. There's an introduction. Please read the introduction. It explains a little bit about the Academy as well as an overview of the benefits. The next button is the Directory Profile. On the directory profile, you want to make sure that all your profile fields are updated correctly and accurately, because you now have a full profile page on the International Directory of Spine Care Professionals. Once you've checked to make sure your profile page is accurate, you're welcome to do a new search in the directory. Our directory is hierarchical. You can search by country, by state, city, specialty, credential status, as well as name and zip code. Now back to the dashboard. We also have a facility profile. If you have a spine care facility, you may want to complete this form and it will be added to the International Directory of Spine Care Facilities. Our next button is the Spine Care Information Script form. The Academy has developed these script forms for physicians to be able to give to their patients. There's a PDF version, there's a Word version, and there's an interactive version as well. So your patients can receive these. They can go to the International Spine Association, learn more about their disorder, learn more about their treatment options on that website. The next button is the brochures. The Academy has developed a extensive library of very professional brochures for its physician members. The directory level member has a subset and access to a subset of these brochures, not all of them. One of them is the 30 Tips for Better Spine Health. As it opens up in the PDF, you can see that it is downloadable. It can be printed off at your local print shop or on a local printer. And it is a very, very nice brochure that can be handed out to patients for patient education. 30 Tips for Better Spine Care. Again, there's a number of brochures for Academy members. The next button is Network Services Instructions. We refer to it as Spine Care 360. There's an Inform a Colleague feature. You can send to your colleague or peers information and literature about the Academy, even attach brochures they may be interested in joining the Academy. The next button is our special offer. Now we have a 50% discount to directory level members for the first year of membership. Please read about the special offer and take advantage of the upgrade. The last button is the membership upgrade. Regular membership is $295 for a year. Discount is 50%, $150 for the first year of membership with the full membership with the Academy. Please, if you have any questions, please call our customer service number found on the website, or please email us at aasp@spinephysicians.org. Thank you.